Tom, what do you hope is under one of these three cloths?
Look, I'm hoping for either seafood, a meat, or poultry.
Okay. And you think that would give you the advantage over the others?
I think so, because that's what I'm comfortable with cooking.
Let's reveal number one. Gruyere cheese. What do you think's under this one?
I'm thinking something to do with the dessert.
Possibly. Sweet short crust pastry, so you were right. And number three? Ribeye beef.
So, Tom, you have to make a decision. Which core ingredient are you going to pick?
Look, I think I'll go with the beef.
The beef? You sure?
I'm positive.
You've got 5 minutes to choose 10 other ingredients from the pantry. Your time starts now.
The dish that I'm thinking of doing is making a stuffing for the ribeye. The other ingredients I choose are garlic, cream, butter, a blue cheese, duck fat, and some herbs, and I'm thinking tarragon.
OK, Tom, your time's up.
Let's go and reveal the core product to the rest of the group.
Okay.
Well, Tom, step forward, reveal your choice.
It is beef.
It was beef. You know, everyone in the building has probably cooked beef at one point in time, so yeah, it's not as if you had a massive advantage.
So, you'll all be using a rib-eye of beef to make a French-inspired dish. You'll be able to go into the pantry now and select no more than 10 more ingredients. You'll have 2 minutes to do this. The first group to go into the pantry is this 6 here. Are you ready? Your 2 minutes starts now.
If I'm in the bottom 3 again, I'll be so disappointed. I don't ever want to go through that elimination challenge again. It's horrible.
I'm here to win, so I'll do everything I can to stay out of the bottom 3.
You have less than 30 seconds, guys. Your time is up.
Final group, your 2 minutes starts now.
As the numbers get smaller, the more and more you really don't want to be in the bottom 3.
I've been working quite hard, and you know, the judges are seeing that. So hopefully I'll stay there and pull out a good dish.
What happened to them?
You have 30 seconds to go. OK, your time's up, guys. Jenny, Andre, your time's up. Let's go. OK, guys, remember the rules. 1 core ingredient, 10 ingredients from the pantry. Let's cook the best French dish you've ever done. OK, guys, remember the rules. 1 core ingredient, 10 ingredients from the pantry. Let's cook the best French dish you've ever done. You have 1 hour, and your time starts now.
Gary announces that it's time to start, and as per usual, everyone's just manic right away.
Bloody 5 pans, pots, bloody food processor. I'm walking back like Father Christmas with a bunch of toys in his chest.
My presumption was that everybody would just grill the piece of meat, simply pan fry it and make either a red wine sauce or a hollandaise or a béarnaise or something like that. That was going to be the typical approach, and I wanted to do something different to everybody else.
Chris, what are you doing? You've got some interesting ingredients. You've got brioche, eggs, gherkins, little cornichons, salt, shallots.
Steak tartare, classic French dish.
Steak tartare, of course, is a raw beef dish. It's a minced or very, very finely diced.
Cheese?
That's to eat.
Are you kidding?
No.
Big bucket of milk boiling up there. What's going on?
I'm going to put the celeriac in that, and then I'm going to take it to a puree.
Yep.
And then I'm going to do a red wine reduction sauce with mushrooms.
Good. What can go wrong here?
Probably everything.
Put myself under a bit of pressure today. I can't be in the bottom three again, because being in the bottom three again would effectively, to me, mean that I don't deserve to be in the competition.
I wanted to double cook the steak, so I took the best piece out of it that I could to make it look quite nice and refined.
So, Trevor, Chef, what are you doing? You've got a red wine sauce bubbling away.
Coming down, I'm going to confit some carrots. I'm just going to parboil them and finish them off with a bit of butter. A little bit of the chestnut honey to give them some sweetness.
Okay.
And then some caramelised shallots and a compound butter of thyme and garlic on top.
All right, so beef, carrots and onions, really, isn't it?
Yeah, well, it's steak and veg.
Good, wholesome dish, isn't it?
Wicked.
Poe.
Yes.
What are you cooking for us?
Steak and fries, but instead of doing fries, I'm gonna just boil potatoes and smash them, thyme and oven them in butter.
All right.
And mushroom sauce.
Lovely.
Aaron?
Yes, George.
You look very stressed, yeah?
Yeah, just the burner.
What are you cooking?
I'm doing a beef tibier.
Yeah.
So pastry, beef filling, bacon, onion, garlic filling.
That's a classical French pie.
Yeah, pretty much.
Retrospect, yeah?
It's something different, and no one else here actually has the ability to make their own pastry in that sort of time. So I thought, well, I'll play to my strengths.
30 minutes to go. 30 minutes. Sandra?
Yes.
What's cooking?
I'm making a potato gratin with garlic, and then I'm searing the beef with mushroom sauce.
Delicious.
As a mum, I cook this mushroom sauce a lot, and my kids love it, so I was hoping that the judges would love it too.
Tom, how are you going to combine all these ingredients?
I've actually stuffed this with a garlic batter with a bit of the rock beef.
Right, so you're going to have basically a pan-fried or roasted rib
pan-fried.
with garlic butter.
Yep.
Are you pleased you picked the ingredients you did with your 5 minutes?
I am perfectly happy.
Tom, are you feeling confident?
I'm feeling okay.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm never confident until the very end.
Okay.
Okay, good luck. Okay, guys, you've got 15 minutes to go. Who's doing well?
Chris.
Chris?
Interesting
Steak tartare. His dream is beer and food.
Yeah.
And it's the sort of thing that I'd expect him to know how to make.
That's right.
Who are you concerned about?
Look, I think the world's concerned about Aaron. Yeah, honestly.
No, I just won't use it. I'll just reduce the veal glaze.
Frustrates me, you know?
You want him to succeed.
I want him to succeed because, you know, the Petivier, he's the only one out there really going out on a limb.
Yeah.
But can he pull it off?
And Tom, our mystery box winner, he was the first into the pantry. Is this going to be a good dish?
Oh, I don't know, Gary. You know, he's brushed the beef with the cheese, and for me, it's going to hit the pan and maybe go too salty.
Yeah. So, overall, how do you think they're doing?
Yeah, overall, I think they're doing a great job. I think they're understanding that it's French flavours, and French flavours are things like red wine, they are things like thyme, tarragon, butter, cream. Yeah. As long as they keep that all in proportion and they cook the steak beautifully.
We're going to be happy, aren't we?
That's right.
Yeah.
I'm going to make my glaze, and I put the veal stock into the hot pan, and there's an open flame next to it, and the fat catches fire.
That flame was massive. It was like he'd poured alcohol on it.
So I quickly take it off, and fortunately, I managed to actually blow it out.
Sam looked quite nervous. He looks, you know, not comfortable.
I'd done my celeriac puree, and I opened up the liquidizer.
Sam.
And opened it from the wrong spot and it all fell out the bottom.
It wasn't the best thing. I'm giving myself too much to do today.
Right, guys, 5 minutes to go. Cook like you're going to save the world. Do you hear me?
I'm basically assembling my dish. I've got a lot of time to spare. I don't know if I was just being cocky or not, but I thought it'd be nice to have a bit of cheese while I was waiting around.
I should have got a bottle of wine, actually. One ingredient down, I could have afforded it.
OK, guys, 30 seconds to go. So you need to be plating up now if you are not. OK, time's up, that's it. Tools down. Well done, good effort. It's all up to the dish now. There's nothing more we can do.
When I'm looking around trying to see what everyone else has done, it all looks pretty plain and simple. Mine actually looks quite fancy.